good day to you all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I want to welcome you, and if you're returning, I want to say thank you for your support. Today we'll be doing roasted lamb leg or leg of lamb. Here I have the lamb already washed and prepped. It's boneless, and I will be using this brisket seasoning rub. Now, for some reason, I have never seen lamb seasoning in the store, so I figure, you know what, let me give this brisket rub a try since it's similar. You know, brisket is similar to like a lamb or goat or whatever. So yeah, and here I have my herbs and aromatics: onion, garlic, rosemary, thyme, green onions, basil, and some chili peppers. I also have some seasoned salt, paprika, and some cumin. Now what you want to do is combine all of your seasonings. We will add those, and then we will put about a tablespoon of that brisket rub in here. Then we will add some oil and we'll blend until it forms a nice paste-like consistency. This will be used as the marinade for our lamb. Next, you want to go in and just generously pour that seasoning onto the lamb, and we will just rub it in, massage it in really well. Now, what I did was left the fat cap on the lamb. I did not remove it because that will help to keep the lamb nice and moist. You know, you want to roast this for hours, so you want that fat cap on there to, you know, keep that lamb nice and moist, because lamb can be dry. You have to know how to roast it the right way. So once we generously, you know, season this lamb nicely, we will cover it and allow it to sit overnight. Now, this is very expensive, and I am not going to spend all that money to rush this process. So this will be marinating overnight. Tomorrow I'll show you guys the next step. And I did forget to mention that I did score the fat part of the lamb. I score there with, you know, like in triangle shapes, so that the seasoning could seep right through. Now moving on to the next day, I have here some heavy duty foil wrap. I did double it, and now we will place the lamb in there, and you want to seal this up real tight, and we will place it into a roasting pan. I'm using a roasting pan because you want to place this on top of a rack, and you will add some water at the bottom of the pan so that while this bakes, you know, the heat can circulate and cook it evenly all the way through. So once we place our lamb in here, we will set our oven to 350 degrees and we'll roast this for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, this is how the lamb is looking. Guys, it smells amazing. I'm telling you, all those herbs, the garlic and everything, I can smell it. So what we'll do next is go ahead and make a gravy with that liquid that's left at the bottom there. We pour it into a saucepan, and we will add some flour. We'll go in with a flour slurry. You could add cornstarch if you like, but I prefer the flour for this. So we will mix this until it's nice and thick, and that's it. Super simple and easy. You can taste it and see if it needs anything else. Mine was perfect. And this is it, guys. It looks amazing. It smells amazing, and it was so delicious and flavorful. Perfect for Thanksgiving or Christmas if you want to do that. And I did serve it up with some potato casserole, some baked beans, and stir-fried vegetables, and it was a hit. My entire family enjoyed it. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching, and enjoy.